Understanding the type code for the HDD drive controller. HDD denotes the product as an HDD drive controller. 02 denotes a line of 02. 2 denotes a version of 2. W denotes cooling via built-in blower. 040 denotes 40 amp rated current. N denotes no other version present. H denotes a controller family of DIAX04. D denotes a Serco's interface for command communication. 32 denotes a function ID code of 32. 01 denotes a function ID version of 01. FW indicates that firmware is ordered separately. Frequently asked questions about the HDD drive controller. How much does this product weigh? The HDD weighs 8 kilograms. What is the power consumption for signal processing? It is 40 watts. What is the peak current? The peak current is 40 amps per axis. What is the acceptable ambient temperature range of this product? The range is 5 to 45 degrees Celsius. What is the protection rating? The protection rating is IP10. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all HDD sales and replacements.